As a company, we never shy away from challenges. We like to be able to be pushed and to try and see actually what are the limits of the things that we can build out of timber. About 15 years ago, Carpenter Oak built a trebuchet for Warwick Castle, which I believe is the largest functional trebuchet in the world. We've been contracted to rebuild it because it came to the end of its working life.
It's been a couple of years in the making, so we've been designing it for about the last year and working with Warwick Castle in terms of the design and the improvements and what they wanted out of the project.
It's a very exciting thing to be building because it's completely out of the ordinary.
It's relatively few pieces of timber compared to most buildings we work on, but they're all enormous. So it's going to be quite a challenge.
Obviously, it's a functional trebuchet as well, so it's not just something that's there to be looked at. It actually needs to be able to fire a projectile. So there's a lot of things that you need to get right with it.
We're going to have to put this up in several stages. We've got the mortise and tenon joints to engage, which can make it quite tricky to put a structure like this together stick by stick.
To kind of stand back and look at, I guess it kind of looks quite simple. It's A-frames and then a big arm in the middle, basically. But I think it's all the little things with a trebuchet that you don't see, almost little cogs in a bigger picture.
The engineering and the complexities that come into that are considerably different and considerably more complex. So actually working with engineers and looking at the types of timber that we're using, looking at the joints that we're using was really, really important. Why we focus so much on that design is to make sure that was right when we came to manufacture and then install it, and then obviously see it working. Happily to say it's all working and firing, and Warwick Castle are starting to use it on a daily basis now. I think everybody is excited and relieved as well to see it working. It's been a great project to be involved with, really good fun, really exciting, and something probably a little bit different.